Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with ICSE 10th Standard Maths, chapter Equation of a Straight Line. We will see all the concepts involved in this chapter. This chapter is based on few formula. We are going to see all the formula and then we are going to solve the sums from RS Aggarwal. This is a chapter from coordinate geometry and let us start with the first concept. When we talk about equation of a straight line, first we need to know what is the inclination of the line. Okay, so what is the inclination of the line? Let us consider this is a coordinate system. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is the origin. Okay, so inclination of line means how the line is inclined towards the positive x-axis. Means if I say, if I draw a line like this, okay, suppose this line is PQ. This line is inclined to the positive side of the x-axis by this angle. This angle is called as inclination of this straight line, okay, which is normally denoted by theta. By this inclination, if we know this inclination, we understand how the line lies on the axis. Means if I say, if suppose the inclination is more than 90 degree, okay, so the inclination is more than 90 degree means the line will be somewhat like this, okay. So here the inclination is more than 90 degree. So understand that inclination is always the angle the line makes with the positive side of the x-axis, and the inclination is denoted by theta, okay. If we know the inclination, we will get to know the slope of the line, and if we know the slope of the line, we can find out the equation of the straight line, okay. So now, if the inclination of the line is, inclination which we are denoting by theta is given to you, say it is 30 degree or something, whatever value is given to you, we can find out the slope or gradient of the line. What is the slope or gradient? Slope or gradient which is denoted by m, that is equal to tan theta, okay. So in this case, if the theta is 30 degree, we will write tan 30 degree, and the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, okay. So here we have seen that inclination of the line which is denoted by theta, if that is given to us, we can find out the slope or gradient of the line which is denoted by m, and if we know the slope of the line, we can find out the equation of the line by slope intercept form. This is the first form to find out the equation of a line, that is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line, c is the y-intercept. Now what do you understand by y-intercept? Suppose one line is like this. Suppose this is the line we are talking about, okay. So in this case, this is the y-intercept. This part is the y-intercept which is made by the line, okay. This is denoted by c, and this angle is your theta. From theta we can find out m. So if you put the value of m over here and c over here, we get the equation of a line. Since we are finding out the equation of a line, so definitely x and y will be there. We will find out m from the inclination, we will find out c from this part is called as c, that is the y-intercept. If we know this particular value, we will put it here and we will get the equation of a line, okay. So let us solve some basic questions on this. So let us start with the first question from RS Aggarwal. The first question is, find the slope of a line whose inclination is 30 degree and 45 degree, okay. So let us do the first question. Inclination is 30 degree. Inclination, as I mentioned, is denoted by theta. Theta is equal to 30 degree, and they are asking for the slope, that is m is equal to what? So as I mentioned, the formula is slope is equal to tan theta, okay. First you put the formula tan theta, and here theta is 30 degree, so put tan 30 degree. The value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So the answer will be 1 upon root 3. Therefore, slope of this line m is equal to 1 upon root 3. This is the first answer. Similarly, let us do the second one also. Second one, the inclination is 45 degree. So here theta is equal to 45 degree. You need to find out m. Write down the formula. M is equal to tan theta, that is tan 45 degree, and the value of tan 45 degree is 1. So here m is equal to, slope is equal to 1. Let us proceed towards the second sum. The second sum is just reverse of the first one. Find the inclination of the line whose gradient is given. Okay. In the previous sum, it was an inclination given and you had to find out the slope. Now the gradient or slope is given and you need to find out the inclination. Okay. Let us start with the first question. Gradient is 1. Gradient is denoted by m. M is given 1. And you need to find out the inclination, that is theta. So let us put the formula for m. M is equal to what? Tan theta. So tan theta is 1. Now think which value of tan is 1? It's tan 45 degrees. So tan theta is equal to, in place of 1, I should put tan 45 because tan 45 is 1. Now from both sides I can just neglect tan. Don't cut it like this because it is a whole angle, but you can neglect tan. So it will be theta is equal to 45 degrees. So the inclination of this is 45 degrees. Okay. Let's do the second sum. I hope you all understood. Second sum, the gradient is root 3. So here m is equal to root 3. M is tan theta again. Tan theta is equal to root 3. Now think which value of tan is root 3? Tan 60 degree. So in place of root 3, we'll write tan 60 degree. Again from both sides you can neglect tan. So it will be theta is equal to 60 degree. So the inclination of this line is 60 degree. Let us do the third question. Gradient or m is given 1 upon root 3. So we'll write tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore tan theta, 1 upon root 3 is tan 30. So we'll replace it by tan 30. From both sides tan cancel. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So this is a very basic question. You can understand, but the representation is very important. You should represent the sums like this. Okay. So this is what is your inclination and slope. In our next video, we are going to proceed with the slope intercept form. Thank you so much.